Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on a 2004 Volkswagen Jetta. We are trying to remove the serpentine belt, which is this one right here. Now to take it out, you will need a 15mm wrench or a adjustable wrench, which is this one right here. So in order to have more room to work on it, you have to remove this plastic, which you can, let me show you. You just have to remove this one. Using a small ratchet and a 10mm socket, you can take it out. And you can just pull up. Okay, now that we have more room to work on, you can put it here on the side, and now we have more room to work on. And like I said, you can use the adjustable wrench, but in this case I'm going to be using this one because this is what most people have. You just have to put it right here. Now guys, I wanted to show you something. Let me zoom in. This will help you to do an easier job. You see how there's a hole right here and there's a hole right here too. Once you pull this all the way down, you can put something in this hole to this hole, so the tensioner can stay there. So in this case I'm going to be using this. You can use anything strong enough and small enough to fit there. I mean, you don't have to do all of this, but this is just for, you know, to have an easier job. So I'm going to be showing you. Like I said, you don't have to do it, but it's there. Okay, let me show you how it looks now. You see how I put the screw and now it's holding it with this one. And now we can just take it out. I am going to put the link down below where you can buy the serpentine belt. So if you guys need to buy it, you can just always click on the link. So alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to put the other serpentine belt back, just follow the same instructions backwards. Once you put the serpentine belt back, you can use the ratchet, put this one up a little bit and take out the screw or whatever you put there so it can come out. And it's a really easy job. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. You can watch my other videos, and as always, peace.